Do you struggle writing scripts for your videos? Text and scripts can easily become tough hills to climb. But as a seasoned creator, I have the solution for all of your problems. Let me help you out by introducing you to the ultimate content creator tool that will help you save time and energy. Hi, I'm Sahel from Teleprompter.com. I am thrilled to be your guide on this journey of script perfection. Crafting an impactful script is just the beginning. Delivering it flawlessly is where the real magic happens. Today I'm going to introduce you to the latest script creating AI technology on the market. It's a game changer for all creators across all social media platforms, and one that will be the standard in the future. The art of crafting scripts. Creating scripts, while rewarding, can also come with its fair share of challenges and hardships. We all know that crafting a script involves careful planning, creativity and structure, and it can easily come down to one of the most notorious challenges, the writer's block. You'll find yourself staring at a blank page, unable to generate ideas or articulate your thoughts. And with time, this problem could get intensely infuriating. But what if I told you that the Teleprompter application takes your script to the next level? Imagine typing out your ideas and watching them come to life seamlessly on the screen. The script generator. With our latest artificial intelligence technology, our application helps you create awesome scripts with the substance you expect. Let me show you how. Just open up the Teleprompter app and select the New Script option. Then choose Generate Script with AI, and you'll be directed to the app's generator page. There you'll have the many options that help you shape the content and style of your script. You can choose from one of our many genre templates catered to your needs. Whether you're in the need of a classical speech, a TikTok video, YouTube short, an advertisement, or even a sales pitch, our application provides you with all the possibilities for all the occurrences. After that, just type an overall idea into the description box of what you want your script to be about. You can choose any topic, ranging from a birthday welcomer even to complex text of historical studies. My tip for you is try to give as many details about your needs as possible, such as topic, length, structure, word count, and even your purpose with the script. So the generator can create a text that is as catered to your very specific needs as possible. Try many different subject matters, learn new things, and have fun with it. After you describe your substance needs, you have the possibility to choose the tone of voice for the delivery. This segment highly depends on your future audience and the platform or occasion the script is created for. You can sound professional, casual, serious, funny, informative, and even flirtatious. Don't forget, you need to know your audience beforehand, or the message could get lost in the making. And as a last feature, you can even choose in which language you need a script. If English is not your mother tongue, or you'd like just to practice your foreign language skills, this feature was made for you. Our app involves English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, and German. Once you select according to your request from all the possibilities, just hit the Generate Script button and our robots automatically start working for you. Once the new script is ready, you can see how many words it involves. Change font sizes, and if you don't like some sentences or other parts of your text, you can choose to rephrase them with the help of our AI system. If you are satisfied, just hit Save and start recording. Seamless delivery with the teleprompter. Creating the script is half the battle. You need to be able to deliver it seamlessly too. The fear of public speaking can lead to nervousness, anxiety, and even stage fright. Overcoming these emotions and maintaining composure while speaking can be a significant challenge. Say goodbye to awkward pauses, stumbling over words, or losing your train of thought. The Teleprompter application ensures you maintain a steady rhythm, enabling you to maintain eye contact with your audience while delivering your script with confidence. seamlessly scroll through your content and focus on connecting with your audience. Versatility across platforms. From YouTube videos to live broadcasts, podcasts to presentations, the Teleprompter application seamlessly integrates into your workflow. You can effortlessly create, edit, and display scripts that elevate your content. You'll discover the secret to confidently engaging your audience and making your words come alive. In the world of communication, the Teleprompter application is your secret weapon. With the help of our script generator, you never have to worry about the blank pages. It transforms nerves into confidence, stumbling into fluidity, and uncertainty into eloquence. Your message deserves to be delivered flawlessly, and the Teleprompter application makes it a reality. Ready to take your communication skills to the next level? So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more transformative insights. Share your thoughts on how the Teleprompter application could elevate your communication game in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep scripting, keep speaking, and teleprompting.